Hello fellow unicorns, long time no see. I hope everyone is safe and well. If you guys have any life updates, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear more about your life during these chaotic times. As for today's video, I have had an opportunity to review Xencelabs' brand new drawing tablet, and I am actually excited to share my experience with you. This will be an unbiased review, so please stay tuned. Even as a seasoned artist, you might have noticed that I'm not a user of drawing screens, but primarily tablets, and sometimes my iPad. This is because of my revelation that my own back handles 10 plus hours of work a day way better on a tablet than it would like a Cintiq or something like that. This is why I wanted to test out this mini beast, and boy, I was not disappointed. I was honestly prepared to be disappointed since this tablet was nothing new. It was just a little square tablet that you put on your table, and that's pretty much it. You draw on it. But this one actually ended up being way more. This tablet did seem a little bit generic at first, but then it came to the case that contains some pen nibs and two different types of pens and some USB looking kind of things. I was wondering why there were two pens, so I took it upon myself to go on the website and check out what's the difference. Both of these pens are perfectly fine, and they both work the same, and they have replaceable nibs, but they are just for your own preference. The inside of this case was actually something that just bought me, because it was solid and heavy with like a thick rubber interior that was protecting the pens. Later I found out that these USB looking things were actually the wireless dongles that you put inside of your laptop or your computer. So this tablet actually is wireless. I completely missed this. I missed it on the website. I missed it on the cardboard thing in my box. Did notice that all of the items inside the box were made from really high quality materials, and there was even a sleeve created for the tablet that had like super soft velvet interior, a lot of pockets for additional pens, maybe even like a sketchbook if you want to like carry everything even traditional inside. Everything was really well made, well crafted. Each part of this box, like, there was nothing that was skipped on, there was nothing that was made half-assedly. I was completely blown away by the quality of everything I was holding in my hands. Some other features that I have discovered was the ability of the tablet to actually signalize which program you're using by changing its edge coloring, by not just changing its color but also changing the intensity of the glow. This is the first time that I have ever seen a like a tablet software actually customizing your pen pressure and pen activity. As for the RPS itself, it was made on Clip Studio Paint with a lot of Clip Studio Paint's tips and tricks that I may cover in future videos. Please let me know if you're interested. I wanted to create something joyful, something dynamic, and something quick to test out if this tablet really does fit my hand, fit my workflow. So what I have discovered is that for the first time, and I have reviewed a few different tablets in my time, this is the very first time that I have held a pen inside my hand and a tablet, and it felt as if I was using it for like hundreds of years. Everything was going smoothly. This is the exact work tablet size that I am used to, and this entire workflow was seamless. I dare to say that there was non-existent lag, that I am even thinking that maybe microscopically there was a chance that this might have even been a smoother drawing experience than even my Wacom tablet. So I am so in love with this product. I don't know what to tell you. Like, this is the first time that I actually am contemplating switching Wacom Tablet with some other tablet, which is even shocking to me while I'm talking about this. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and let me know what you think about the tablet and the artwork down in the comments. See you guys next time. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and if you want to learn how to draw manga, make sure to check out Manga Crash Course and Manga Crash Course Fantasy, as well as my latest book for beginner cosplayers, Cosplay Crash Course.